everyone, Ginger here. Today I'm going to show you my new closet makeover. Well, it's not actually a new closet. I bought this from the thrift store, but it needs a new look. Let's take a quick look inside. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is remove all the stickers. Give it a good cleaning. Then sand it. After sanding it, I'm going to spray paint it. Make sure an adult helps you with this. Play it safe by wearing a mask and be in a well-ventilated area. Now that it's all painted, I'm going to add my own decorating touches to it. So, it's finally finished and I love how it turned out. I used scrapbook paper to decorate the outside and the inside, and some bling as well. So what do you think? Let's take a quick look at the transformation. Now we need hangers, so grab some wire, about 6 inches, fold it in half, then bend the top like a hook, and curl up the other 2 ends. Now you can hang any doll clothes. Yay! Now I can start organizing my closet with my clothes. Okay, so it's all organized, and did I say how much I love it? And check out the hangers. I added a couple of paper clips so you can hang anything. Tell me what you think down below, and tell me what you think of the closet. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you made or gave your doll closet a makeover, please send us some pictures so we can share with our viewers. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.